In today's rapidly changing geopolitical landscape, intercontinental ballistic missiles, or ICBMs, have become a critical component of national defense strategies. They are the silent guarantors of peace, their formidable presence a testament to the balance of power that holds major global tensions at bay. Take North Korea, for instance, where the recent unveiling of the Hwasong-18, a solid-fueled ICBM with countermeasures to penetrate existing US defenses, has set alarm bells ringing. Or consider Russia, where technical cooperation has allegedly contributed to the Hwasong-18's development, a missile that eerily mirrors the Russian Topol-M. Then there's China, a nation rapidly bolstering its missile capabilities, a move that's redefining its geopolitical stance. This is the world stage upon which the drama of ICBMs unfolds, a high-stakes game where every move counts. With this backdrop, let's delve into the exciting and complex journey of the development and testing of the LGM-35A ICBM. The LGM-35A ICBM, also known as the Sentinel, originated from the US Air Force's ground-based Strategic Deterrent Program. This program came into existence with the aim to replace the Cold War-era LGM-30G Minuteman III with a new land-based nuclear strike missile. The journey began when Northrop Grumman, a leading global aerospace and defense technology company, bagged a hefty contract of $13.3 billion in 2020. The Sentinel is a sophisticated three-stage missile, currently in the engineering, manufacturing, and development phase. The overall cost of this project is projected to be a staggering $100 billion over the next few years, making it one of the most ambitious defense projects undertaken by the US. Despite the controversy surrounding its cost and necessity, the LGM-35A continues to be a focal point in the US's defense strategy. The development of the LGM-35A recently marked a significant milestone with the testing of its second-stage rocket motor. A critical part of the LGM-35A's development, this rocket motor test was conducted under unique conditions to replicate the rigors of space. The trial took place within the confines of a vacuum chamber at the United States Air Force's Arnold Engineering Development Complex in Tullahoma, Tennessee. By simulating the real-world flight environmental conditions that the solid rocket motor would experience during high-altitude and spaceflight, the test aimed to challenge the motor's capabilities and assess its performance under pressure. The goal of such rigorous testing is not merely to see if the motor works, but to compare its performance with computer-generated predictions and models. It's a process of validation, of ensuring that the theoretical designs hold up under practical conditions. The data collected from this test is invaluable, providing insights that inform future design tweaks and modifications, bringing the LGM-35A closer to its final form. The test's specifics, such as the exact date or duration of the E-burn, remain undisclosed. However, Northrop Grumman, the company behind the LGM-35A's development, and its engineers are keenly studying the data to determine how the motor's performance matched digitally engineered model predictions. It's a critical step in maturing the design and lowering risk. Sarag Willoughby, Northrop's vice president and the Sentinel program's manager, has commented on the test's significance. According to her, the test moves the company forward for qualification testing in partnership with the Air Force. It provides an accurate reading of our design's performance and now informs our modeling and designs. Looking ahead, Northrop and the USAF are considering putting both the first and second rocket stages through a series of qualification tests. This follows the company's announcement in early 2023 that it had conducted a static test of the missile's first-stage motor and hypersonic wind tunnel tests to validate its design. The successful test brings the LGM-35A one step closer to becoming a vital part of the US's nuclear arsenal. However, not everyone is convinced of the need for such a weapon. The LGM-35A's development has sparked a debate among Western nuclear strategists. These experts argue that the current US nuclear arsenal already adequately provides for both first and retaliatory strike capabilities. They further contend that the existing arsenal is sufficiently survivable, even in the event of a nuclear attack on the mainland. These strategists point to the stealth and quality of America's ballistic missile nuclear submarines and stealth bombers, such as the B-2 Spirit, as evidence. These assets, they argue, already possess enough firepower to respond to any nuclear strike from potential adversaries like Russia or China, and are less likely to be detected and destroyed before they can retaliate. Moreover, the prohibitive cost of the LGM-35A is another major sticking point, with an estimated price tag of around $100 billion over the next few years. Critics argue that these funds could be better allocated elsewhere, perhaps in bolstering existing defense infrastructure or investing in new, more cost-effective technology. Despite these arguments, the LGM-35A remains a testament to the US's commitment to maintaining a strong and modern nuclear deterrent. In the face of rising international tensions and emerging threats, the development of the LGM-35A ICBM serves as a stark reminder of the importance of advanced weaponry. This intercontinental ballistic missile, a symbol of might and deterrence, is a testament to the United States' commitment to maintaining a robust defense system. The LGM-35A's development, ignited by a multi-billion-dollar contract with Northrop Grumman, is a clear signal of intent in a world that is increasingly volatile. However, it's not just about the creation and testing of this formidable missile. The controversy surrounding the LGM-35A underlines the complexities of military strategy and budgeting. Critics argue that the existing American nuclear arsenal is sufficient and that the astronomical cost of the LGM-35A is unjustifiable. It's a debate that touches on the very essence of defense policy, the balance between preparedness and pragmatism. As we watch the progress of the LGM-35A, we're reminded of the complexities of geopolitics and the ever-evolving landscape of global defense strategies.